This is nucellus. Nucellus become archisporium. Nucellus become archisporium. Archisporium become megaspore mother cell. This megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis. This is meiosis 1 and this is meiosis 2. So meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 together is a single meiosis. So in single meiosis we form megaspore tetrad. Means how many megaspore is formed? 4 megaspore. And out of these 4 megaspore, how many get degenerated? 3 get degenerated from the micropylar end. This nucellus become megaspore mother toward the micropylar end. This one functional megaspore will undergo first mitosis, second mitosis, third mitosis. This is a free nuclear mitosis. This is a free nuclear mitosis. And this will give rise to a 1 cell and 8 nucleus, right? Which eventually will give rise to the embryo sac. And this embryo sac is 7 cell, 8 nucleus. Can you tell me name of all the 7 cell? Yes, all the 7 cells name are 3 antipodal cell, 3 cell in the egg apparatus, 1 is the central cell. So these are the 7 cell and 8 nucleus. Labeling of this will be very important. So labeling is important. Question can be from the labeling also. How many new cell wall are formed? So 6 new walls are formed. 6 new walls are formed. You will say, sir, 7 cells are there. Then why 6 walls are formed? Because one wall is old. The central wall is the old wall. So you need only 6 wall to form 7 cell. So this is developed from 1 megaspore, functional megaspores. That's why such is called monosporic embryo sac. Monosporic embryo sac. Clear? So monosporic embryo sac. Then this is another point related to the pollination. In pollination, we have known